Hey everybody, welcome back to Kool Electronics Guy. Just as I promised in the last video, today we're going to work on the second project in the Arduino Starter Kit. It's called the Spaceship Interface. But before we start, I just wanted to say the last video I didn't have a beer of the day, and I apologize. And sadly enough, today I don't have one either. And that's because I don't have any beer right now. I need to go get some nice craft beers, but the store I've been getting them at, they switched their hours to like these winter hours, and winter's almost over, so I guess in a couple of weeks they're gonna be open better hours, so they'll be open when I'm driving by. But a friend of mine did give me one a while back that I had that I just wanted to mention. It's called Maple Waves, and I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna put this in front of this, and that's what it looks like. And I gotta tell you, that was one of the most amazing beers I ever had in my life. It's Imperial Stout with maple flavor. It's 13% alcohol. And I swear, you gotta love maple syrup to like this beer. I drank it, it's a little on the thicker side, and it's like, it's not even beer. I thought I was drinking, like, you know, if you have hard light lemonade or hard cider, I would say this is hard maple syrup. I love maple. This was absolutely delicious, and it was pretty strong, 13%. You know, you get a nice buzz. It's a sipper. So that's my beer of the day. Even though I don't have it here to sip on while I'm making the video, I still want to share that with you. But hopefully, for the next video, I'll actually have a beer in person. But let's get back to the project. So we're going to work on the Spaceship Interface. And what we're basically going to be doing is, it's a pretty cool project. There's the breadboard on our Arduino, and we're going to put 2 red LEDs, 1 green LED, a switch. We're going to have 3 220 ohm resistors, one, I think it's a 10K resistor, a few jumper wires, and our Arduino R3. And we're going to set this up so when you push the button, different things happen with the lights, and we'll show you all that stuff. We're going to start working on putting it together right now. A few minutes ago, we're going to use 3 220 ohm resistors, and there, you know, there they are. They come on the strip like that. But we always test them just to make sure. And to do that, you know, you just put your positive and negative leads of your voltmeter on the resistor, and there it is. 219.6 is what that read. So it's, you know, you get your variance plus or 5. So that's a 220 ohm resistor. And, you know, we do that for every time for each one, just because we want to make sure, you know, you don't have to do that. It's just that, you know, we're kind of picky like that. But, again, you know, if you want to test it, most of you already know how to do that. Make sure your voltmeter is set for ohms, and you got your range set for the right range. And just test it, positive and negative, one on one side, one on the other.
Southern, me guys, today we are working on special projects for Kool, and today we have a special project for y'all, and we work real hard, you know, so
you're recording, aren't you? You record everything I just said.
That is, that was my cameraman talking in his funny voice, if anybody is wondering.
You didn't actually record that. You didn't.
you actually did not record that. You lied. You lied. I am 75 years old, and I can still do a marathon. Wahoo! And hey guys, I'm here. You see, I am my my origin country. You see, I come from Atlantis, and you know, you know, I am not lying. It's all real.
The project's coming along. Pretty soon we'll be done wiring it up. After we wire it, then we're gonna go into the IDE for Arduino on the laptop over there, and if you can see it over there, back there somewhere. And we'll do the coding for it, and then we'll come back and we'll show you how it works. Oh, and I also wanted to mention that, I showcase these special craft beers that I enjoy at the beginning of all my videos. I just want you to know I don't get paid for that. I'm not, they're not paying me to advertise for them. I just think that these are really great beers, and if I can recommend them to you, then you guys, as the viewers, you guys will go out and buy them and help support those companies, and then we can help those guys out because they make some awesome products. So I just want everyone to know that I don't get paid for that, and I'm not looking to get paid for it. Just enjoy the craft beer, and I just want to promote them. Oh, almost got this wired up.
And then a semicolon. Okay,
I just wanted to also mention that while we're typing the code in to program the Arduino, I just wanted to show you there's this cool overlay that came in the kit. It goes over the breadboard, and how good you can see that. Looks pretty good in the camera, but you can see the green circles. Those punch out. That punches out. The LEDs come through there. And your switch comes through there. So it's just an overlay that goes over the board, so it looks kind of cool. You push the button, and then the lights will do different things, which we'll show you after. But I thought that was pretty cool. They gave us this little overlay to make the kit a little more interesting. But we'll show you the final project in a few minutes when it's all done. Here's a close-up shot of the final product. It's all wired up according to the specs in the book. We're still working on the programming. You can see all the connections. You can see the three 220 ohm resistors, the 10K ohm resistor, switch, our green LED, and our red LEDs. You can get a shot of the Arduino there. So I just wanted to get you a little close-up of that. Maybe it'll make a little more sense to you. And we're almost finished with the code. As soon as we get that uploaded to the Arduino, we'll show you how it works. Alright, the programming is done, and we're going to go ahead and hook it up to the Arduino and see if it works. See if we did it right. If not, we'll go back and troubleshoot. See? And I don't know, I think I mentioned this last time, that it comes with the USB cable. There we go. Got connection. And we got a green light on the R3 on the Arduino. And you can't see it from here, but I can see the data transfer is going on. There's an amber light blinking on and off. So the green LED is on now. And when you push the switch and hold it down, you can see we blink between the other two LEDs. And you may have to push it and hold it. Go ahead and push it and hold it down for a few seconds. See? Then you take your finger off, and it turns green. That's the project. So, learned a lot about circuits on, well, anyone can learn a lot about circuits on this project. It's, pretty basic stuff so far, but it's really good if you're getting into electronics. It talks you through the code, all the code's in the book. You just copy it out, and you learn the Arduino language. We're familiar with Python language. It's kind of similar. Looks like C++. It's its own kind of code, Arduino. But again, it's all in the book. You copy the code right out of the book into the IDE on your computer and upload it to the Arduino. And that's how you learn. you learn their code just by doing it. That's the end of this project. The next one will be in this book here, project number 3.
Chapter 3.
And it's the name of the project, if I can find the page, is Love-O-Meter. That sounds exciting. It's a 45-minute project. It says level 1. I'm just flipping through the book. Looks like it's going to be a fun little project. We'll show you that one next time. Probably next week we'll do the video, and I'll upload it. I just want to tell you, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you like, and ring the bell. And that's it for this week's Kool Electronics Guy. See you next time.